Hey all, my name is Paul Borosky and I am the owner of Quality Business Plan. And what I'd like to do today is introduce y'all to my food truck business plan template. Specifically, what I want to do is just walk you through the template as the Word portion, the Word document portion of the template, show you the writing style, show you the content, and just, pretty much introduce you to the template and, go from there. All right, so the way the video is going to work out is first I'm going to go ahead and give you a little bit of information about me, who I am, what I do, and why I do it. From that point in time, we'll go ahead and walk through the Word document portion of the food truck business plan template. Then I'll briefly introduce the Excel file, which is the financial model segment of the template. And from there, we'll sum it up, wrap it up, and call it a day. All right, so as promised, a little bit about me. Again, Paul Borosky, MBA, owner of Quality Business Plan. I am a professional writer, specifically a business plan writer. If y'all do want some help with writing your business plan, feel free to pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. I'd be delighted to write a custom business plan for you or even help you complete the business plan template. Of course, there is a fee for both services. Also, I am a professional writer. I have written several books on Amazon.com in regards to business plan writing as well as understanding financial statements, so check me out there. And finally, I'm an adjunct professor and subject matter expert for both business and finance. So if you're all set, ready to go with your business plan, but those pesky little financial projections are tripping you up and you're still having some difficulty, even after watching some tutorials with my financial model, if you need some assistance with having me do custom financial projections for you, I'd be delighted to do that as well. All right, infomercial is all done. So when you do buy my food truck business plan template, you will be given or emailed two documents. One is a Microsoft Word document, which is this one right here. It's going to contain the actual template for the food truck business plan. You will also get an Excel file, which will contain a customized proforma financial projection model, again, for the food truck industry. In order to customize the Word document and the Excel document, you do need Microsoft Excel and you do need Microsoft Word. These are not compatible with Google products and not compatible with Apple products. So just keep that in mind. So once you open up the document, the first thing you're going to be introduced to is the cover page. Right here is where you can go ahead and add your logo or just put your company name there. It's up to you. The next page is the table of contents. Once you add some more meat to the bone or change some of the information in the template, keep in mind this template is fully customizable. All you do is just click on the table of contents, click right here, update the table, and then update the entire table. All the headings will update and the page numbers will update as well. Next segment is the executive summary section. In the executive summary section, we are pretty much summarizing your business plan in its entirety in a short and sweet version of the business plan. So the components in the executive summary is going to be the food truck summary, your target market, financial highlights, and then the funding request. The next segment is going to be your company description. Right here is where you're going to briefly describe your company. I've got a section right here for your menu. If you have more than 7 or 8 different menu items, I do recommend putting the rest of the information into an appendix. We have the competitive advantage section right here. Feel free to edit it and to customize it to meet your needs. Again, we also have a primary target market, a pricing strategy, and hours of operation. For the location section, a little bit different as compared to other business plan templates that I've created, for the sole purpose that this is a food truck and you will be in a food truck and not a building. So I've customized the location section to represent a food truck structure. Again, feel free to customize this as you see fit. Next segment is just with your business plan, what your business plan does is it summarizes your business, your strategic plan. What that does is it tells the reader where you are now and where you want to go in the distant future, and it shows benchmarks to get there. So in my business plans, I do like to include a segment or a snippet of a strategic plan. And this right here is a snippet or a segment of a strategic plan. Pretty much tells a reader, where you want to be in 3 to 6 months, 1 to 3 months, 3 to 6 months, and 6 to 12 months. Next section is industry analysis. This is up to date. You can add more information if you like, but this information is summarized from IBIS World a leader in industry research. Next is your SWOT analysis. You can feel free to, again, update this information in the SWOT analysis. It's a smart art form. So you would just click this little arrow right here, and then right here you can just go ahead and make your changes to the smart art, whether it be for your strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, or threats. Next segment is your organizational structure. This is the ownership section. Put your information in there. And then just a job responsibility section, a CEO, cook, cashier. You can go ahead and delete delete the information. If a cashier is not needed, you can delete it, or you can go ahead and add more information. You can add more job descriptions, or you can change the titles, up to you. It's customizable, like I said. Next is going to be an organizational chart. Again, same thing, smart art. You click the little arrow right there, and you just make your changes there. And this is just a graphical representation of the hierarchy of your company. Next is a marketing strategy. Traditional marketing, internet marketing, and social media marketing. I have given you a starting point for each one of the three segments. Feel free, again, to add more content to each one of the sections. Funding request for this example right here, or just a starting point for the tutorial. I'm saying they're looking for, they need $200,000 to start the party. The term of the loan will be 8 to 12 years with interest rates 48%. Whatever your information is going to be, again, go ahead and customize it as you see fit. And then the final section is your financial projections. I do provide financial projections for monthly for the first 12 months, and then annually for the next 5 years. And I do include also a financial model, and the financial model is where you get this information from. So the way it's broken up is month 1 through month 3, then at quarter 1. Then it goes month 4 to 6, quarter 2, and then month 7 to 9, quarter 3, month 10 to 12, quarter 4, and then right here is your pro forma income statement with your projections from year 1 to year 5. So where does this information come from for the financials? Well, good question. That would be right here in my financial model. So again, you get two documents. You get the Word document, and then you get the financial model, which is an Excel spreadsheet. When you open the Excel spreadsheet, you're going to be seeing the information page. You also get a projections page, a profit and loss page, and an income statement page. When you make all of your changes for your Excel file will take place on the information page. So any changes you need to make, it'll be right there. When you make the changes on this page, then your profit and loss statements will be updated, and so will your income statement be updated. When you are done with updating the information, just copy the income statement, go over to your Word document, highlight the old one, backspace it, Control-V it, and now you have updated information from your Excel file. All right, and also a more in-depth explanation of how to use the financial model is in a separate video. All right, so hopefully that information was helpful. So let's go ahead and wrap it up. So in summary, if you do buy my food truck business plan template, it does come with a Word document and also an Excel file. Both are customizable. They are not compatible with Apple documents or Google products, so keep that in mind. Also, there is no free phone support. So if you buy the business plan template for the food truck, if you need assistance, I do offer business plan tutorials. So I've got numerous tutorials on how to use my business plan templates at qualitybusinessplan.com/business plan writing tutorials. If you do have questions about the business plan template before you buy it, feel free to pick up the phone, give me a call, love to help. If you do want to go ahead and buy the food truck business plan template, visit my website at qualitybusinessplan.com/food truck business plan template. You can go ahead and make the purchase there. Once you make the purchase, you can then download the documents. And then finally, if you do need some help with a custom business plan, feel free to visit my website for my prices page or to pick up the phone, give me a call. All right, hopefully this information was helpful. And as always, go out and make a little bit of money. Thank you.